Have you ever wondered what cutting out sugar could actually do for your body and mind? What if I told you that giving up sugar for 30 days could completely change the way you feel? It might sound intense, but today we're diving into a challenge that's all about transforming your relationship with food and taking your health to the next level, the No Sugar for 30 Days Challenge. Many people feel a surge of energy, fewer mood swings, and even see their skin start to clear up. Plus, this isn't just about saying no to sweets. It's about discovering how powerful food choices can impact your health and overall wellness. Whether you're already health conscious or just curious to see what going sugar-free can do, this challenge is for everyone. So, are you ready to take this journey with me? Let's get started. For 30 days, you'll eliminate all forms of added sugar from your diet. According to the FDA, added sugars include those added during food processing like sucrose or dextrose, sweeteners sold as standalone products such as table sugar, sugars from syrups and honey, and sugars from concentrated fruit or vegetable juices. This doesn't include naturally occurring sugars in foods like milk, fruits, and vegetables. So for this challenge, you'll avoid any foods containing added sugars and artificial sweeteners. Most people are consuming double or even triple the recommended daily sugar intake. The American Heart Association reports that the average adult in the US consumes around 77 grams of sugar per day. That's 15.5 teaspoons. Over a year, this adds up to 60 pounds of sugar. In comparison, the AHA recommends no more than 36 grams, which is 9 teaspoons of sugar per day for men, and 25 grams, which is 6 teaspoons for women. This excess sugar intake plays a major role in common dietary issues and impacts overall health. Taking charge of your sugar intake is a powerful step toward a healthier life. Eliminating sugar can support weight loss by reducing your calorie intake and enhancing your nutrient consumption. Without the extra sugar, you're less likely to consume empty calories, which can help reduce body fat and excess weight. Additionally, sugar often triggers inflammation and disrupts hormonal balance, both of which can make losing weight more difficult. By removing sugar from your diet, you lower inflammation and restore balance to your hormones, ultimately helping you boost your metabolism and promote fat burning. Consuming sugar causes spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance over time. This means the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, forcing the pancreas to produce more of it, which can eventually contribute to type 2 diabetes. By cutting out sugar, you stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing these fluctuations and the strain on the pancreas. This helps prevent insulin resistance and can improve or reverse the condition if already present. The reduction of added sugar also plays a major role in lowering your risk of chronic diseases. Excessive sugar intake is linked to several serious health conditions, including heart disease, stroke, cancer, liver disease, kidney disease, and Alzheimer's disease. These conditions often result from oxidative stress and inflammation caused by high sugar consumption. By eliminating sugar, you help to lower these harmful effects, protecting your organs and tissues from damage. Cutting out sugar can significantly improve your mental and emotional health by stabilizing brain chemistry and hormones. Blood sugar fluctuations lead to mood swings, anxiety, irritability, and even depression. Eliminating sugar helps restore balance to neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, promoting a more stable mood and reducing feelings of stress. It also lowers the stress hormone called cortisol, which further calms the mind. It boosts self-esteem and motivation, as completing the challenge provides a sense of control. Eliminating sugar stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing the energy crashes that cause fatigue and sluggishness. Sugar fluctuations can leave you feeling drained and affect motivation, but by cutting it out, you experience more sustained energy throughout the day. Removing sugar also helps to balance hormones, restore vital nutrients, and boost energy levels and mental clarity. As a result, you'll feel more focused and productive with improved vitality. This also leads to better sleep, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Many packaged foods contain added sugars that may not be immediately obvious. Start by getting into the habit of reading food labels. Look out for terms like added sugars on the label and check the ingredients list for hidden sources, such as sucrose, high fructose corn syrup, or other sugar derivatives. Being mindful of these hidden sugars is a simple yet powerful way to reduce your intake. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Focus on incorporating more vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats into your meals. These foods are naturally low in sugar and provide your body with essential nutrients without the added sugars that processed foods often contain. Plus, whole foods tend to be more filling, which helps control cravings and keeps you satisfied longer. Sugary drinks like soda, fruit juices, and sweetened tea or coffee are often packed with hidden sugars that can quickly add up. Instead, choose healthier alternatives like water, herbal teas, or black coffee. If you're craving something sweet, try infusing your water with a few slices of fruit or herbs like mint to add natural flavor without any added sugar. One of the best ways to control your sugar intake is by cooking meals at home. When you prepare your food, you have complete control over the ingredients you use, allowing you to avoid hidden sugars often found in takeout or processed foods. Plus, home cooking lets you experiment with healthier, sugar-free recipes and flavors. When it comes to snacking, choose healthier options like nuts, seeds, plain yogurt, or fresh fruits, instead of sugary snacks like candy or pastries. These healthier choices provide more nutritional value and help you keep full between meals without the blood sugar spikes that sugary snacks can cause. After completing your 30-day no-sugar challenge, you might be wondering what comes next. Should you go back to your old sugar habits, or should you continue avoiding sugar completely? The answer is somewhere in between. Going back to eating sugar the way you did before could undo all the progress you've made during the challenge and could bring back cravings and potential sugar addiction. On the other hand, cutting out sugar forever isn't necessary or realistic, since natural sugars found in whole foods can be beneficial when consumed in moderation. The best approach is to gradually reintroduce natural sugars into your diet while still minimizing or avoiding added sugars. Natural sugars found in fruits, vegetables, dairy, whole grains, legumes, and some sweeteners like honey or maple syrup not only provide sweetness but also deliver essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants that support your health. However, it's important to remember that these natural sugars still contain calories and can impact your blood sugar levels if consumed in excess. Reducing your added sugar intake is generally safe and beneficial for your health, as long as it's done thoughtfully and responsibly. It's important to make balanced food choices throughout the 30-day challenge to ensure you're still getting the nutrients your body needs. However, as with any restrictive eating pattern, some people may develop an unhealthy focus on food or start to create strict food rules, especially around foods they used to enjoy. This can be more common for individuals who have a history of disordered eating. If you're considering taking on this challenge or making any significant changes to your diet, it might be helpful to consult with a registered dietitian. They can provide valuable support, help you to maintain balanced meals, and offer guidance throughout the process to make sure you're making sustainable and healthy choices. And that's the end of the No Sugar for 30 Days challenge. Remember, this challenge isn't about being perfect. It's about making smarter choices and understanding how sugar impacts your body and mind. Moving forward, it's all about balance. You don't have to completely eliminate sugar forever, but choosing when and how to enjoy it mindfully will help you maintain the benefits even after the challenge. The key takeaway here is that small changes like cutting out sugar can lead to big results in how you feel and your overall well-being. Celebrate the positive changes and continue to make choices that support your health. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Feel free to share your experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video.